This is a never ending debate, guys. Which one to buy? Gaming PC or gaming laptop in 2024? What is up, guys? Vimal here, and welcome back to my channel. I keep getting a lot of questions and comments in my recent video, especially related to like PC builds or laptops, right? Vimal, bro, we have a certain budget, say around 75,000, 80,000 rupees. Which one should we buy? Should we invest in a gaming laptop or should we build like a brand new gaming PC? This is quite confusing, not just for you people, a lot of my friends also. So today in this video now, we will be completely talking about this only. I think I've already made this sort of video a long back, but things were completely different at that time, and in 2024 things have drastically changed, especially in the tech field. So we will be doing like a reanalysis right now, guys, and I'm pretty sure all your questions and doubts will be cleared in this video. In fact, I'll be dividing this video into different points and factors that you'll need to consider before you can make the right decision. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and on top of that, make sure to like this video, guys, subscribe and click the notifications bell icon on. So first of all, guys, whether you buy a gaming laptop or gaming PC, right, it all depends on the individual. Say for example, what sort of requirement do you have? First question you'll have to ask yourself, why do you need a gaming PC or gaming laptop? What is your purpose? And based on that, right, 60% of your decision can be made right there only. I've divided this video into like 5 different segments, and we'll be talking about like 5 different main points and factors to be considered before you can make like a proper decision to either buy a gaming PC or a gaming laptop. The first point we'll be talking about right now is portability and compactness. Now if you ask about gaming laptop, you people know, right, gaming laptops are designed to be like an all-in-one hub and solution, guys. Along with the hardware that is packed in such a compact form factor, right, you're also getting like a built-in display, speakers are also there, connectivity ports, battery is also there on board. So it's basically like a very portable gaming machine that you can take and go anywhere. It is very useful, especially if you're like a student or maybe like an office goer. Say for example, you're a college student and you need to take this hardware for coding, programming sake, right? If you have a gaming PC, you cannot take that. Gaming PCs are not that portable. I mean, look at the size of the gaming PC just beside me, guys. It's practically impossible. On the other hand, gaming laptop is much more portable, guys. I do agree they are slightly a bit more heavier side, but not as big as a gaming PC. Now you can easily throw it in your backpack and take it anywhere on the go. So if portability is your requirement, right, gaming laptop definitely gets the score. But now on the other side, maybe you're doing like work from home. A lot of people these days are still doing work from home only, and they're rarely going to like office. So in that sort of situation, you don't need to worry about portability. Then in these sort of situations, you can actually go for like a gaming PC only, because for the same price that you pay for a gaming laptop, right, on the PC, you'll get like much more powerful and superior hardware, guys, and that will perform a lot better than a gaming laptop. So moving on and talking about the second part, customizability and looks. Oh, this is a very interesting factor, guys, and a lot of people think about this before making a purchase. Customizability. First of all, if you talk about the laptop, right, laptop is like pre-built and completely ready out of the box. Laptops do not offer a lot of customizability, guys, especially if you talk about the looks. Whatever the company has made this particular design, that is it, final. Very rarely certain laptops have like customizable modules or maybe like customizable elements. And yes, RGB is also rare these days. Unless you're spending a lot of money, you're not getting any sort of RGB lighting on laptops. On the other end, for the same price, say for example 1 lakh rupees, you're having a budget, right, for that same price point, you can build like a very beautiful and completely customizable gaming PC as per your choice. For example, if you want like an all black sort of design, you can do that. Or maybe you want like a full on RGB lighting that is fully customizable using software. Yes, you can do that also. It is full of possibilities, guys. Unlimited choice are there. So strictly speaking, if you're looking for like personalized and customizable sort of hardware, now gaming PC gets a better score in this segment. Third and the most important point to consider is performance. This is the most important aspect that a lot of people keep looking for, getting maximum performance for the price that you're paying. See for example, if portability and compactness is not at all a question for you, you're staying at your home only most of the time, and maybe you're doing like work from home. For you people, you just want like maximum performance. In this sort of scenario or situation, right, I'm telling you based on my experience, a gaming PC will offer a much more superior performance than a gaming laptop, guys. So let me tell you, for 1 lakh rupees, right, even if you do a lot of market research and analysis, the best combination hardware configuration you might get is an RTX 4060 with a 13th gen i5 or a 12th gen i7. And for the same price, if you actually build a PC at your place, right, you can easily get an RTX 4070, guys. And comparison between 4060 laptop edition, mobile edition variant versus a desktop variant of the 4070 is like night and day difference, guys, from double digit to triple digit FPS difference. Fourth point to consider is price factor. Price factor is also a very important aspect you'll need to take into consideration whenever you're buying this sort of stuff. A lot of people do not know that there are hidden costs involved with these sort of purchases. For example, you people see a lot of gaming PC build videos, right, on our YouTube channels, like 50k edition PC, 75k edition PC, 1 lakh edition gaming PC. The price that we mention over there is only for the PC build. Along with that, obviously you'll need to buy like a monitor or maybe like a premium gaming monitor, peripherals, keyboard, mouse, speaker, so many things you'll need to buy which are not included with the PC. So obviously you'll need to consider that purchase also, which will cost extra. But if you take into consideration a gaming laptop, here you don't need to worry about all of that. Gaming laptop, as I've told you, is like an all-in-one hub and solution and comes with like a built-in display, speakers are there, you're getting built-in battery, connectivity ports, all of this is included with the hardware. Unless you want to buy some extra hardware, maybe like accessories or peripherals, you don't need to worry about extra costs and purchases. Fifth point to consider is future upgradability. Upgradability is also a very important aspect. You're spending some sort of money now. For how long is that hardware going to sustain? And maybe in future, if you want to change that, does the hardware support it? These sort of questions everybody gets, right? Say for example, you take into consideration a gaming PC over there. Each and every part of a gaming PC is like fully upgradable and customizable. Say in future, you're bored of the looks of the case. You can easily change it. You can go for any sort of high-end case. You can completely change the look of it. Or maybe you're thinking about the hardware upgradability. Maybe you're like bored of your existing 3050 and in future you save up a bit of money and you want to improve the gaming performance. Then you can easily do that. Remove that 3050, sell it and get like a powerful 4070, or maybe you might get like 5060, 5070 also in future. Who knows? You can easily purchase that and upgrade your PC anytime. On the other hand, if you take into consideration gaming laptop, right, very limited customization or upgradability is available over here, guys. If we talk about the exteriors though you cannot change, that is fixed. You'll have to stick with that for how long ever you take it with you. And if you talk about the internal hardware also, you cannot upgrade the CPU, you cannot upgrade the GPU. The only thing you can upgrade on a laptop is the RAM or either your storage. That's it. So these are the 5 different points and factors you can consider before making a proper decision in buying either a gaming laptop or building a gaming PC in 2024. I'm telling you, right, it totally depends on the person and the requirement. If your portability and compactness is your requirement, then obviously gaming laptop is only the solution. Now, portability is not a question at all. You want like maximum pure performance for the price that you're paid, then gaming PC might be the solution for you. Totally depends on the situation and the person. Well, that is pretty much it, guys. Time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got like full information and basically cleared all your questions and doubts regarding whether to buy a gaming PC or a gaming laptop in 2024. Which one are you buying? Let me know in the comment section. And apart from this, if you have anything else, you can definitely let me know in the comment section down below. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next one.